Yo and halo guys, kembali lagi di channel Farzaren 29. Oke, kali ini gue bakal main FF gameplaynya, tapi kemarin gameplay PUBG udah, sekarang tinggal ya upload aja terus ya. Sibuk banget sampai nggak sempet upload, padahal emang nggak, bohong dia guys. Oh ya, kemarin baru aja ulangan gua. Udah, gimana guys puasanya, pada lancar nggak? Lebaran pada pulang kampung kan nih? Oke, bagus dah. Yaudah, tonton aja videonya. Sorry kalau noob. Oh ya, jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe bagi yang belum ya. Oke, thank you.
Shotgun+scar.
On that fuck shit.
Shout this day, you know.
What you do to my drink? You what?
Knick knack, patty whack, give a dog a bone that was taking out your back. Hit you motherfucking dome when I look into your eyes. I know you're not immortalized. With the two,
You
with the four,
what?
Smoking on the get green on the scene with the lean. And my team got a beam, it's a dream. I achieved Dolphin, can I shiver cause the cream I side on the key 2020 on the scene. She got the meds on her back. Ask for the 100 in cash. He gonna let his tongue lash. She gonna give him a rash. I'm gonna get inside Dominic's wing and go to the Space Needle. I be smoking on OG, it is for me, it's medicinal. Achoo, motherfucker gotta sneeze, gotta take one puff when it hits my brain. I do feel love when it hits you, you go swear it's stuck. Drifting in the rain, I'm on that funky town shit. Back wheel drive, I'ma tell you I'm not gonna quit. Popo, come to the front door, get to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hold up in the Beamer, go around the block, take a lap, take a lap. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them sandy cheeks. Sandy freak, sandy freak. One more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks. Jack out here in the middle with the mummies, coming with the heat, I'm a dirtbag commie. Dab so thick it look like honey, perfect at a smoke, it is sunny. When I eat I miss his puff, she gonna fucking expand. I can't even flex, I don't even got one band. Push up on the gas on the fucking invisible Bumblebee. Put the money in the bag cause you know that we need that steel. You can't tell me that ball ain't thick. Cause Sandy Cheeks got a bag of tricks. Fuck the cops, I only respect the hall monitor. Now put them Sandy Cheeks above me, now I am a gobbler. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them Sandy Cheeks. Sandy freak, one more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks.
You asked for a couple of ice cubes in your drink, and I only put in one! April Fool!
Hey, shout out Mac. Shotgun+scar.
On that fuck shit.
Shout this day, you know.
What you do to my drink? You what?
Knick knack, patty whack, give a dog a bone that was taking out your back. Hit you motherfucking dome when I look into your eyes. I know you're not immortalized. With the two,
You
with the four,
what?
smoking on the get green on the scene with the lean. And my team got a beam, it's a dream. I achieved Dolphin, can I shiver cause the cream I side on the key 2020 on the scene. She got the meds on her back. Ask for the 100 in cash. He gonna let his tongue lash. She gonna give him a rash. I'm gonna get inside Dominic's wing and go to the Space Needle. I be smoking on OG, it is for me, it's medicinal. Achoo, motherfucker gotta sneeze, gotta take one puff when it hits my brain. I do feel love when it hits you, you go swear it's stuck. Drifting in the rain, I'm on that funky town shit. Back wheel drive, I'ma tell you I'm not gonna quit. Popo, come to the front door, get to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hold up in the Beamer, go around the block, take a lap, take a lap. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them Sandy Cheeks. Sandy freak, one more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks. Jack out here in the middle with the mummies, coming with the heat, I'm a dirtbag commie. Dab so thick it look like honey, perfect at a smoke, it is sunny. When I eat I miss his puff, she gonna fucking expand. I can't even flex, I don't even got one band. Push up on the gas on the fucking invisible Bumblebee. Put the money in the bag cause you know that we need that steel. You can't tell me that ball ain't thick. Cause Sandy Cheeks got a bag of tricks. Fuck the cops, I only respect the hall monitor. Now put them Sandy Cheeks above me, now I am a gobbler. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them Sandy Cheeks. Sandy freak, one more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them sandy cheeks.
You asked for a couple of ice cubes in your drink, and I only put in one! April Fool!
Hey, shout out Tembe. Shout out Kamikaze.
On that fuck shit.
Shout out Dede, you know.
What you do to my drink? You what?
Knick knack, patty whack, give a dog a bone that was taking out your back. Hit you all the fucking dome when I look into your eyes. I know you're not immortal last. With the two,
You
with the four,
what?
Smoking on the get green on the scene with the lean. And my team got a beam, it's a dream. I achieved Dolphin, can I shiver cause the cream I said on the key 2020 on the scene. She got the meds on her back. Ask for the 100 and cash. He gonna let his tongue lash. She gonna give him a rash. I'm gonna get inside Dominic's wing and go to the Space Needle. I be smoking on OG, it is for me, it's medicinal. Achoo, motherfucker gotta sneeze, gotta take one puff when it hits my brain. I do feel love when it hits you, you go swear it's stuck. Drifting in the rain, I'm on that funky town shit. Back wheel drive, I'ma tell you I'm not gonna quit. Popo, come to the front door, get to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hold up in the Beamer, go around the block, take a lap, take a lap. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them sandy cheeks. Sandy freak, sandy freak. One more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah in Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks. Jack out here in the middle with the mummies, coming with the heat, I'm a dirtbag commie. Dab so thick it look like honey, perfect day to smoke, it is sunny. When I eat out Mrs. Puff, she gonna fucking expand. I can't even flex, I don't even got one band. Push up on the gas on the fucking invisible bumblebee. Put the money in the bag cause you know that we need that steel. You can't tell me that bro ain't thick. Cause Sandy Cheeks got a bag of tricks. Fuck the cops, I only respect the hall monitor. Now put them Sandy Cheeks above me, now I am a gobbler. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them Sandy Cheeks. Sandy freak, one more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah in Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks.
You asked for a couple of ice cubes in your drink, and I only put in one!
Ya guys, di sini sorry banget videonya nggak ada suaranya karena ya gimana ya, nggak tahu kenapa nih. Nanti uploadan selanjutnya gue usahain ada suaranya. Parah banget emang, skill gue masih cupu, masih bawahan. Ada iya gini dah cara main orang noob. Di sini gue gagal boyah lagi. Tuh, thank you ya yang udah subscribe. Walaupun cara main gue noob, tapi kalian baik banget emang. Netizen itu nggak semuanya gak jelas gitu. Doain aja cepet-cepet biar 1000 subscriber. Nanti kapan-kapan gue bakal top up. Dan kalau gue udah 100.000 subscriber, ngimpi ya gimana dah. Nanti kalau 1000 subscriber dah, ngapain kek challenge ya boleh lah, tapi challenge-nya jangan yang susah-susah. Kalian aja komen di bawah nanti. Makanya doain aja biar lebih cepat 1000 subscriber ya. Aduh. Nah di sini gua nggak lihat kalau ada musuh. Nah pas ke bawah masih aman nih, masih aman. Ngumpet di sini juga masih aman. Ya udah, gua pindah ke pohon depan kan. Nah lihat aja kelanjutannya. Nah di sini gua kaget banget dah. Tiba-tiba ya kan dari atas. Padahal tinggal 2 orang lagi gitu. Yaudah. Thank you banget yang udah nontonnya. Yuk, thank you yang udah nonton sampai habis. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. I love you.